Hello guys, welcome back. Let us see the problem of the day from the late code. Problem number is 2485 and it is find the pivot number. And it is a easy problem. Let us read the problem. Given a positive integer n, find the pivot integer x such that the sum of all elements between 1 to n inclusively equals the sum of all elements between x and y inclusively. And it is saying that it will give you an integer n. We have to find an integer x such that the sum of elements from 1 to x equal to the sum of elements from x to n. That means 1 plus 2 plus so on x must be equal to the x plus 1 plus so on n. And we have to return such integer. We have to return the private integer x. If there is no such integer exists, we have to return minus 1. It is guaranteed that there will be at most one private integer for the given input. Let us see example one. Here the given input is n equal to 8. If we check for every integer from 1 to n, if we take 1, the left hand side, so the sum of elements from 1 to x, that means 1 to 1, that is 1, must be equal to the sum of elements from x to n, that means 1 to n. It is not equal, and we will check for every integer from 1 to 8. For integer 6, we will get the private integer, since the sum of elements from 1 to 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equal to the 6 plus 7 plus 8, that is 6 into 7 by 21 equal to 21. Let us see example 1. N equal to 1. For n equal to 1, 1 is the private number as 1 equal to 1. For n equal to 4, there is no such integer that exists, so that the pivot number is not there for n equal to 4, as no such integer between the integers 1 to n whose sum is equal to the left sum 1 to x is not equal to the x to n, so that we will return minus 1. The constants are the n is between the 1 to 1000. Let's see the coding part. Here, the main intuition is first, the brute force is you can check for every integer from 1 to n, and if such a integer like private number, if the sum of elements from between 1 to x equal to x to n, then you can return that integer. And the another approach is here. Uh, Let us say take a integer x between 1 to n, then sum of elements between 1 to n inclusively will become x into x plus 1 by 2. This must be equal to sum of elements from between x to n inclusively. We know that sum of elements between x to n inclusively equal to the sum of elements from 1 to n minus 1 to x minus 1. So it will become n into n plus 1 by 2 minus the sum of elements from 1 to x minus 1. That means x minus 1 into x by 2. If we solve this equation, what we will get? We will bring it x minus 1 into x by 2 to the left side, and we will take x by 2 as a common, and the remaining will become x plus 1 plus x minus 1. That means 2 into x. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. It will be equal to x square. Here, x square equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. X will be equal to x cube rt of into n plus 1 by 2. And we will calculate by using this. Here, we will calculating this n into n plus 1 by 2 in a temp variable, that is int temp equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and we are calculating square root of that temp, so that we will store it in another variable x. And we have to check whether we will get a correct integer or not. And to cross check, again, if we do x into x, it must be equal to 10, so that if x into x equal to 10, then we will return x, or else we will return minus 1, as it is the operator. It says that if the this expression is if this expression gives true, it will execute, it will return the first one, or else it will give the second one. This is the assignment operator. Yes guys, it's running fine. Once check. Yes guys, it's running fine. I hope you understand the concept and how to approach for this easy problems. In many ways, we can do this by brute force. We can go from 1 to n, or else previously we can calculate the values and we can store it in a array and we can do. But this is the uh, most intuitive and most easy way to think in a mathematical way, and we will. Thank you.